Welcome to all that is new here. Welcome back to all that is returning back in. Today is going to be an unboxing of my lip smacking nail birthday. I did purchase this box. Yeah. So it's been sitting for a minute. It took me a minute to receive as well. Let me tell you. So this is how it came in. It's cute. Thank you with the little lips and all that. Oh, that's really cute. So, all right, let me open this up. All right. Well, here we are. Sorry about the glare. I can't do much of that. So, Happy Mail has arrived. Yes, it has. Warning, contents are full of sparkle. Yeah. And that's the logo for Lip Smacking Nails. I will leave the YouTube channel for Lip Smacking Nails down in the description down below. You can always head over there and subscribe. And also it says, thank you. Have a nice day. Yes, you all have a very nice day. And also, Lip Smacking Nails has a Discord community, nail community. Come in and join the fun. Let's see, for starters, I believe in the power of love. Now that is just too cute. And then I got the lips here. It looked like it's a decal. Yeah. That is really cute. Okay. So I got some of these. I got a whole bunch of these and I don't even use. All right. Let's start with the stickers. Nice. Look at the stickers, everyone. Different, cute, different designs. And some hearts with lips, with love. And then another one with a whole bunch of lips. Cutesy. All right. What's in this little gift bag? Oh, a little hair bow. My favorite color, purple. Ah, okay. Oh, this is just too stinking cute. I love it. Put this on my keychain. Yes. All right. Yeah. Here we go. So this is what it has. It comes with a little note. Coffee in hand. Oh, sorry. Coffee in one hand. Confidence in the other. Bucks nowhere to be found. All right. That's how I feel sometimes. Yeah. That's right. Yeah. All right. Let's move it along. Always remember, tough times don't last. Tough people do. Yeah, thank you. You're awesome, Elisa. Elisa is the main, she runs Discord. She's doing awesome things, as we all are, in our own unique way. This is so stinking cute. I know what this is. These are lip charms, y'all. I have a few, but not these. I can use some red ones. Oh, that is too cute. All right, I gotta pull this out to show it. You know what? Let me pull this stuff to the side. I just have it sitting here. I'm just diving in and stuff, getting all excited. Yeah, that's how it is sometimes. That's how it is sometimes. Oh, I gotta turn this fan on. I got hot. Whew. All right. Oh, these are different little charms. Oh, look at that one. That's some juicy lips right there. All right, and then we got different other charms that are here. And it's cute how you got some other ones here as well. There we go. I got some pink ones. Some pink ones here. She even threw in some rhinestones. I don't have these, which I am happy for. And then some white. There you go. And some other little rhinestones in there, which is really cute. I have my little charm collection. All right. And it's cute how it comes in this little box. I'd never seen that. And then I guess this is a UV light. It needs the batteries. I have one of these as well. So I like using these. Okay. That's just a UV black light, UV light. She gave me a bunch of different candies as well. All right. Oh, and I got some little glitters. Cute little glitters here. Just gonna open this up here. And it has like little hearts and lips and things like that. Little stars. Well, I don't see hearts. I don't know why it said hearts, but for sure it's lips and stars. That's what this is. It's a mix of that with those pink and aurora, red and blue, pink colors. Really pretty. And this is glitter. I'm not going to even open it. And it has some moons in there and some stars. Really, really, really nice. All right. Now, this is the part that I am thankful for. This is gonna be my first hollow taco here. She has 3 in here. Hollow taco products. She knows that I cannot do gel. For those that are new here, I just do lacquer polishes. I have a serious allergy to gel. And see what colors that she got me. Okay, so I'm guessing this one is Cool Cat Mom. Yeah. Yeah. I am a Cool Cat Mom. Oh my goodness. Wow. That is a beautiful color. Yes. Oh, and look. It is magnetic too. All right, I gotta grab my magnet. Hold on. Oh yeah, it is a magnetic. Oh, look how it shifts. Can you see the color changing? All right, so without the magnetize, it is purple, as you can see, and I'm seeing those holographic glitters in that. Then when I come in with the magnet, it's blue. So that's a nice shift in colors. All right, moving to the next item. And these are good for your lenses, my glasses, because your girl is like blind. You feel me? Okay. Now, this one is a pretty like another pink, and it has those fine rainbow colors in there. It's called Hot Wire Pink. This one is not a magnetic. All right, I'm gonna open it up so you can see. I'm not gonna swatch it through here. That is so beautiful. I hope that you can see those colors. Wow. And then I gotta open this one up. This one is the magnet. I am very joyful and happy about this one right here because it's a magnetic. I love it. And it's my favorite color. Oh, my nail desk has so many things thrown everywhere. You know, I don't know how to be neat. Oh, oh, the glitter polish. Okay, don't be jelly. Okay, people? No, seriously. This is the name of the polish. Don't be jelly. Oh my gosh, I'm jelly, y'all. I'm jelly. All right, got too excited. Oh my goodness. I can't even get a true color out of this. I gotta get a background, a white background to show those. It's like a flaky polish. Okay, I'm getting the drip. It is a flaky polish, and it has all those pretty aurora colors in between that. Oh my goodness. I see why people are obsessed with these polishes. I've been hearing about it. Now that I have them in my collection, I might dive in. Yes. Well, that is all for my gift that I got from Elisa. Here is everything. Can't forget the little stickers here. I got a barrette. Oh, yeah. And a little jewelry. All right. Here we are. I think that's about it that I got. Yeah, that's it. All right. Thank you, Lip Smacking Nails. Thank you for stopping by, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye for now.